welcome back to Driven Mad.
This is the first time I can use this. What's driving you mad?
Driving me mad is the fact that this car has bubbling coolant.
Yes.
Now, if you don't know, I did an engine swap on this about a year ago because it had bubbling coolant, funnily enough. And what did we discover the other day?
We've got bubbling coolant.
We've got bubbling coolant. Now, our heads instantly said head gasket or cracked head, which we previously we were told we had a head gasket, a cracked head, sorry,
yes,
on the last engine, so we automatically thought we can't be that unlucky and get it again. So you've done some digging on forums and had some chats with people.
We're going to try and not stay Mercedes specific.
No, but we'll sort of have to.
Yeah, because we've been led down the road and you're probably thinking I've got a cracked head or I need a head gasket. That's what we think at the moment. So the first thing we're going to do is this. So we're going to show you this in this episode, which is a rapid engine leak detector. So we'll get the car going. We'll show you the bubbles that are bubbling up.
Yep.
And then what you do is you put this, looks like you're making a homebrew beer, but you pop this into...
on the top there.
You can see, put a fluid in here and the fluid will change colour depending on the issue that you've got. So join us and find it and learn at the same time.
Yep, so hopefully, fingers crossed, that doesn't change colour, because that means we haven't got a head gasket problem.
Okay, so let's get outside because we don't want to gas ourselves.
Right then, not sure if you can hear us, but we're going to fill up our pot just with enough fluid to go sort of between these two lines here. So we'll top it up. Should do. Right, and if we've got major head gasket problems, that should change to what colour? Yellow?
It will change to...
yellow.
Yes, so if you stay blue, you've got a efficient cylinder head gasket. If it turns to yellow, you've got a deficient cylinder head gasket or cracked head.
Okay, well let's go.
Fingers crossed.
Right, let's go for it. And how long do we leave it for?
It's in a while.
Do it?
Hold on, I've put the destruction.
Oh, error.
Yeah.
And we've let the engine sit for about 5-10 minutes before we're doing the test.
So start the engine and run at a higher speed to warm up the engine, which we've done. Leave the engine idling or slight revs to observe the behaviour of the fluid that should start to bubble.
It is, yeah.
If the colour changes to yellow or green in a few minutes, it means the head is damaged.
Okay. A few minutes then.
Crap, it's like waiting for...
doctor's results.
Doctor result, yeah, oh God. I really hope it's not the head.
God, me too.
The head will be the most unlucky people ever. Don't like to be pessimistic, but that's changing.
I was going to say that seems to be changing colour.
Yeah. I don't like to be pessimistic, but that's going green to me.
It's going green to me as well.
Go on,
It's going very green. It's matching the coolant now. Trying to get a better view because the sun's a bit awkward. Well, that's gone very green to me.
I want to keep saying that's blue, but I'm afraid
It's not. That's yes, gone yellowy green to me. It's yellow to me.
green to me.
Yeah.
Gutted doesn't come close.
Well, we're going to have to run 3 tests, best of 3, aren't we? Just to be 100%, because they can be false readings, but...
You reckon?
Yeah. I was watching some YouTubes on it.
Okay.
Yeah, go on. Don't go mental though, because it might blow off. Look at the bubbles. Yeah, that'll do. Man. Yeah, the bubbles are quite sufficient there. Look at the bubbles in the chamber.
It's turning a very
cottagey cheese look.
Well, that's exactly as one of the forums had, and it was a transmission cooler.
Right. Well, get some more fluid. We can do it again.
There we go.
That'll do.
Oh, a lovely blue.
That's a lovely blue. I'd like it to stay that colour. Hang on, we've put too much fluid. Hang on. God, it's almost instantly changed. I'll put it back. That's instantly gone yellow, green, hasn't it? I mean, instantly. Yeah.
I'll be satisfying watching.
Yeah, it is. Unfortunately, it's going the wrong bastard colour. That's instantly green.
Yeah.
I think there's no denying that there is a head problem.
So it definitely wouldn't be an engine.
I've got no idea. Oil cooler even. Pop that gasket and it could rip that Range Rover new. Right, and so what did we learn there? Not masses, because we've read on forums and we've seen on these things that these MLs are renowned to be indestructible almost, and the fact that I would swap the whole engine and we'd still have the same issue is so unlucky. And they're saying white smoke we should have, and we should have oil residue in the coolant, which you can see there's none. And there should be slight water droplets on bubbles on the dipstick, which we haven't got.
So that shows you how to use these little kits to test. So it's telling us we've got an issue. Now we've got to find out what that is. But at least you now can see how the kit works and how it shows you to test the gases that are coming out, and it'll indicate that you've got gases in the fluid, which potentially we already knew anyway, but hopefully if you're thinking of buying a kit, this shows you what you will achieve with it. So that's it. We've been driven mad by this Mercedes ML.
We have.
So if you've liked what you see, then you've got to learn how we fix it. So subscribe would be nice.
Thank you.